Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to simply get Firefox VPN on your laptop or your PC. Very easy setup, step-by-step guide. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is open up your Firefox, just like what you see right here. Having opened up your Firefox, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on this three slider, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply stroke down all the way down to settings. So click on settings and it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to more from Mozilla and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then you have to make sure you navigate to Mozilla VPN. So click on get VPN. It will route and redirect you to a page like this. Now you are getting VPN for your laptop or your PC. What you need to do is to simply come to the top right there, click on download Mozilla VPN, and take you right here. Download Mozilla VPN. You can download Mozilla VPN on up to 5 devices with one subscription. Mozilla VPN offers safety and secure protection for all major operating systems, such as Windows PC. You can scroll down and see other PC that is supported with this particular VPN, such as Mac, Linux, and also for Android user and app or iOS user. You can scroll down and read detail about this VPN. Privacy you can trust from the maker of Firefox. Mozilla VPN uses the advanced WireGuard protocol to encrypt your online activity and hide your location. We never log, track, or share your network data. So these are what you get if you download and install VPN Firefox into your PC or your Windows PC or your Mac PC or Linux, or you are using your phone, Android phone or iOS, which is iPhone. It's as simple as that. So what you need to do is to simply follow the step, install the Firefox, do the setup, and start using the VPN without any stress. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.